Hi folks, Richard here of Irish Pens. Just a quick video to show you how to change the refill in our Forest Rollerball pen. This is the Forest Eclipse, and the reason it's called that is because the pen is made of Irish bog oak and the trim of the pen is a gunmetal trim. Now, if the refill was to run dry in the pen, you basically unscrew this end of the pen here, the back end of the pen, and inside that cap you'll see we have the spring. We have push it down in there. Please don't lose the spring. If you do lose the spring, the pen just won't function properly. You take out the refill. In this case, this is standard international size rollerball refill. The one that we supply into our pens is a Swiss-made refill with Swiss ink and Swiss components because we believe it gives the best writing experience. But these refills can be purchased in any good stationery store. This type of refill can be purchased in any good stationery store. You can also buy it on our website, and they're also available on other websites as well. So you buy a refill, you can choose black or blue. We do them in medium and in fine, and you can take a refill, then your new refill, and you just basically insert it into the pen, take the cap, screw the cap back over the top of the pen like so, and you're ready to start writing again. So it's that simple. Please excuse my hands. These are working hands. They're not YouTuber hands. They're wood turner's hands, I suppose. But that's the pen. That's what it looks like. That's how you change the refill. Any questions, any queries, pick up the phone, give us a call, drop us an email. We love to chat to our clients. We love what we do, and we want to make sure that we give you the pen that's exactly the one that you require, whether it be for yourself or as a gift. So thanks for watching. That's how you change the refill in our Forest Rollerball pen. Bye for now.